Code Red Air Quality Alert in effect until 8 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Thursday. The North Carolina Department of Environmental and Natural Resources in Raleigh, North Carolina has issued a Code Red Air Quality Action Day for fine particulates. In effect until 8 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Thursday. Air quality is expected to reach Code Red, which is unhealthy, and means everyone should avoid prolonged or heavy outdoor exertion. Those with respiratory and/or heart ailments may experience more serious health effects. An Air Quality Action Day means that fine particulates concentrations within the region may approach or exceed unhealthy standards. For additional information, please visit the North Carolina Division of Air Quality website at www.ncair.org/news.